How to delete WhatsApp group permanently. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Simply click on the group chat. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on top of the group chat. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and you'll find all the members. Select the members and you'll find remove from the group option. This is only available if you're the admin. Simply remove everyone, then click on exit group. Click on exit and then click on delete group. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to delete WhatsApp group permanently. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time. Thank you for watching.